Hello world, this is What's Up 290. Today I'm listening to North America's time signal stations, both WWV and WWVH on the same frequency. Now, WWV, Fort Collins, Colorado, is coming in stronger currently on 5 megahertz, whereas WWVH is the female voice you can hear behind it. Let's take a listen. Now, the female voice you just heard was coming from WWV or WWVH, which is the transmitter in Hawaii, followed by the transmitter from Fort Collins, Colorado. WWV is a pretty good tool for telling propagation, because, you can tune it and tell whether you're currently receiving better from east or west, and looks like about equally just now, because I'm receiving both WWV from Fort Collins, Colorado and WWVH from Hawaii at the same time. So yeah, WWV is one of the oldest radio stations in the world. WWV is one of the world's oldest radio stations. I believe it started in 1912, so it's been there for over 100 years now. And it just displays the current time in UTC and also propagation information. We found on 5 megahertz, 10 megahertz, 15 megahertz too. I'm only receiving at 5 right now. So, yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is What's Up 290. I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.